Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Even if you have got desire to enjoy within this material world, still you take to Krishna consciousness. Krishna will satisfy you. You give it. There is no need of doing something else for your material enjoyment. If you want, because we cannot give up material enjoyment, we have been habituated since time immemorial, many life after many life, simply for sense gratification. It is not very easy to give up the idea. Therefore Shastra says, even if you have got the idea of sense gratification, still you take to give account. Don't try it otherwise. Just like the devatas. They've got facilities for all sense gratification. Sense gratification means udara upastha jiva. Jiva, the tongue and the belly and the genital. This is the prime sense gratificatory sources. Very palatable dishes fill up the belly as much as possible and then enjoy sex. This is material. In the spiritual world, these things are absent. In material world, these things are very prominent. So Prahlad Maharaj warns his friends that if we become attached to this sense gratification, then vimochitam kama drishanga brihara krira migo jan nigara visarga. Nigar means the root. The root cause of accepting the material body. These things are sense gratification. Tato vidura, from distant place. Tato vidurat parihitta daitya. My dear friend, although you are born of Daitya family, I am also born. His father is also Daitya. Daityesu sangam vishayatmakeshu. Give up there. Asat sangha tyagi Vaishnava. The same thing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also said. So who is a Vaishnava? Vaishnava, he immediately explained that Vaishnava. Now what is the duty of Vaishnava? Some devotee asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sir, what is the duty of a Vaishnava? So he immediately replied in 2 lines, Asat sangha tyagi Vaishnava. To give up the company of materialistic person. Then the next question may be, who is materialism? Asat akstri sangha. One who is attached to woman, he is also. And Krishna bhakta. And one is not a devotee of Krishna. So we have to give up. So there is therefore regulative principle, at least no illicit sex, get yourself married, live like a gentleman, take responsibility, then gradually you'll be able to give up this sex desire. Unless we give up this sex desire, completely unagitated, there is no possibility of stopping this repetition of material birth. Birth, death, old age and disease, that is not possible. Therefore, Prahlad Maharaj advises, Daityesu sangam vishayatmakeshu. Don't associate with asatsanga, the same thing as Chaitanya. Asatsanga tyagi Vaishnavas. This is Vaishnava's business. Don't take any opportunity of assault those who are materially attached. Very, very difficult association. Then it is possible, Upeta Narayanam Adidevang Samukta Sangai Rishito Apavarka. That's why association is very Sajati Siddhasa. Those who are engaged in Krishna consciousness, devotional service, make your association with them. We are therefore making different centers to give everyone the opportunity to have the association of devotee as far as possible. We are giving shelter, we are giving prasadam, we are giving instruction, we are giving opportunity to worship Krishna. Why? Because people may take the advantage of the association. Narayana. Narayana is like they cannot associate with Narayana. Narayana and anything executed in the devotional service of Narayana, Narayana, Krishna, Vishnu, the same category. Narayana para bhaktya. Narayana means whose situation is transcendental. Narayana. So, Narayana, as soon as you come in contact with Narayana, the Lakshmi is there. Goddess of fortune is there. We are not worshipping the Daridra Narayana manifestation, no.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.